In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Tablet section at the bottom. Then click on Device Name at the top and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, tap on OK in Device Name pop-up, and then also OK in the second one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!